journey in your life. Now, in today's webinar, thank you guys. In today's webinar, I'm going to be talking to you. In today's webinar, I'm going to be talking to you on how to beat PCOD naturally with daily workouts. People are constantly suffering from polycystic ovary syndrome. People are constantly suffering from period problems, pregnancy issues. So as I'm getting started, I'd like each and every one of you to let me know what are the problems that you are facing today where it comes to PCOD. Remember that PCOD is linked to your hormone levels. It's linked to your insulin levels. So it's not your fault. So don't think that it's your fault. So some of the problems that are coming in are irregular periods, obesity, pregnancy. I'm sure some of you will be having pregnancy issues as well. Pre-diabetes, obesity. And it's like a really common problem today. It's 5 out of 10% women are getting PCOD, which is polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOC, PCOS, polycystic ovary, PCOD disease or syndrome, whatever it is. Sugar, diabetes, blood pressure. So some of these symptoms are irregular periods, not able to get pregnant, excess amount of hair growth, weight gain. There you go, excess hair growth, weight gain, irritation, thinning of the hair, skin getting oily, makes you really feel anxious, makes you feel frustrated all the time. Vaginal cancers as well. Lack of control in your health. You're not sure. I mean, you feel frustrated at the end of the day. Then, gosh, I've got this. What do I do? Anger. And yes, that's frustration. And you know, for your physical problems, the doctors are there to. No. This session is not for women only. No. Rakesh, you're more than welcome to stay, because there are a lot of men who have women in their homes who are struggling and who are not ready to address this problem. So Rakesh, please, it's not for women only. Okay? Nothing of mine is for women only. If it is for women only, I will let you know. So thank you so much. Please continue staying. So these are all these huge symptoms that a lot of women are facing. And you know, one of the main reasons people are facing this is because of lifestyle. You know, our lives have changed tremendously from the time of our ancestors till today. In today's day and age, we are faced with a lot more stresses, a lot more strain, and a lot more junk food that we are susceptible to eating. And this is one of the main reasons that you have this problem. But the good news is, just through exercise and just through diet, this can be altered. I've had so many, I cannot tell you guys, I've got so many people who have worked with me and who I have helped to lose weight despite them having PCOD. Now, you know, for those of you who know Chandrababu Naidu, he's the ex-chief minister, and then, you know, on my Saturday webinars, I really don't have the time to sit and make PowerPoint presentations and show you pictures of before, after. Guys, I really don't have time for all that. But I have the time to give you to transform your mind, because I believe that if I've transformed you in your mind, you will be able to transform yourself in the body. And so I worked with Chandrababu Naidu's wife and himself for over 20 years. And when Bhuvaneshwari, when she first came to me, she said that she had back problems, this problem, that problem. She was overweight by 50 kilos. And most important was she had thyroid. I worked with her for the first 6 months and I got 0 results, like a lot of you. But then I understood where the problem was. So I kept tweaking those problems, and I worked in tandem with the doctor in the medical fraternity, and her lifestyle, kept tweaking her workouts. I kept tweaking her workouts. We started with very soft, slow. Yes, he's a former chief minister of Andhra Pradesh. Yes, I kept working with her slowly. And over a period of I wouldn't even say 20 years, I know them for 20 plus years, but over a period of say 10 years, she lost 50 kilos. So I want you all to know that it's this that is most important, and workouts is the most important. So focus on what you what you want. And when you focus on what you want, you really very easily are going to be you're going to be able to achieve it. So what are one of some of the most common causes? Some of the most common causes are women who have more male hormones than female hormones are more susceptible to them, to producing a change in the hormone, and that's what causes to get PCOD. It is a little bit of genetic issue, but I don't want all of you to think that because my mother had hormone issues, I'm going to have it. Okay, it is more from your mind. Okay, we'll do that little later, Sahil. Okay, just hold on to your comments. When I ask you to comment something, I'd like you to comment on it. Okay, thank you so much. People who are insulin resistant are susceptible to having PCOD, and therefore the sugar consumption, therefore the release of sugar, you're not able to burn out that much sugar in a natural manner as somebody who does not have that. Okay, and some people have a lot of inflammation in their body, and that also causes a lot of issues with PCOD. But the bottom underlying is, and I want you to know that I am not a medical doctor. I'm a fitness professional, I'm a fitness expert. And if you've got this problem, I can only tell you that with lifestyle issues, when you want to take medication, please go to your local doctor down the road and take your medication. But I want to tell you that from my experience of working with people, that you will be able to fight this disease with making some really good lifestyle changes which include exercise, which include diet, and which include mind. Now, the long-term consequences of this are you are obviously susceptible to getting cancers. Also, it is even more difficult for you to get pregnant if you've got PCOD. And a lot of people are under the impression that if you have PCOD, it's difficult for you to lose weight. Now listen to this very carefully. If you believe that it's difficult for you to lose weight because of PCOD, that's what you will get. But if you believe that you can do it, you will be able to lose weight, you can fight the disease, then the chances of you getting success, losing weight by altering your diet, altering your lifestyle are much more. So I want each and every one of you to understand that what you focus on is what you really and truly get. And that's the crux of this whole seminar today. That's the crux of this whole webinar today. That I will talk about diet, but where I'm concerned, and for my 27 years of my experience, diet plays in PCOD, diet plays just a 10% role. It's 80% of exercise and mind programming. Now, if I were to ask you a question and I want you to answer correctly, do I need to tell you where diet is concerned? That is what is not good for you. Do I need to tell you that? Yes or no? No. I don't need to. Because the bottom line is each and every one of you know it. You know what exactly you're supposed to do. But how many of us are really accepting it? How many of us are really focusing on what we are supposed to do? You know why? Because you are focusing on something that is outside of you. You're looking for all the solutions to your problems outside of you. But the bottom line is all the problems, all the solutions to your problems lies within you. So now I'm going to be asking you, what are the kind of diets that you think we should be eating, or what are the kind of diets that you think is not right? What are the kind of diet that you think is not right for you? With PCOD, with relation to PCOD. Taking rice is not good. Not true. Because I'll keep answering you. Junk food, yes. Unhealthy ones. What is unhealthy ones? Saturated fats, oily foods, ghee, frieds, sugars, sugar intake, frozen foods, sugary drinks, oily foods, keto diets, bakery items, processed foods, preservative foods, fermented foods, junk food, wheat. Listen to me. You know very well that these are the things that you're not supposed to eat in your diet. Now, how many of you, stop. Thank you guys. How many of you are able to eliminate all this from your diet completely? Completely. It's, you know what? Not possible. Good. Not completely, because it is not possible. I can't do it completely because we are culturally grown to believe that these are certain things that we can do. So I want you to know that where it comes to diet and your PCOD problem, yes, cut out, focus on nutrition and don't focus on diet. It is not possible to focus on diet because when you go on a diet, you will get those results and you will get off the diet and the results will go away. I used to have somebody who had PCOD and she could not control her diet. And then finally she succumbed to a surgery, a bariatric surgery. Guys, I don't want you to do that because that's not a solution, because too much fat coming out of your body is not a solution. That is not the right way for you to go about it. So from today onwards, I want you to start focusing on your nutrition. Eat macronutrients, eat micronutrients, which means, and you're going to love this, which means whatever your grandparents ate, eat that. If your dadi ate it, eat it. If your parents ate it, eat it. But if your grandparents have not heard the name, then don't eat it. You're getting this point? So whatever you are used to eating culturally, yeah, whatever you're used to eating with your culture, like I'm used to eating an egg for breakfast, I'm used to eating rice and dal and vegetable for lunch, and I like to eat a bowl of vegetable and a bowl of chicken with a roti or two for dinner. That's what I'm used to eating. But I tried and tested it all. I went on a GM diet, I went on this diet, that diet. I wanted to see what I felt. And all I felt was feeling bloated. And all that was happening is all my concentration was on myself. Whereas today, when I just calmly eat whatever is made at home, I feel nice and calm. So the first thing in your journey is focus on good nutrition. A lot of people focus on diets. And when you focus on diets, you're not going to get those results. Include anti-inflammatory foods like ginger, green tea, turmeric, nuts, seeds, flax seeds, green leafy vegetables, lots of colored vegetables. And culturally in our country, we are not used to eating a lot of salads. Often when I tell people, let's eat salads, people always come back saying that they ate kheera, tomato and pyaj in their words. When I say salad, I actually mean I want all of you to eat a nice bowl of salad which has got lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, some nuts, some seeds. When you add all that into your diet, the olives, yeah, I don't bring up these things very much because things like olives, bell peppers, broccoli, in India, it's parsley. In India, it's all known as the English vegetables. And when I talk about anything to do in public, including in my personal life, I really and truly like to focus on more desi stuff than what is not available for everybody or what not everyone can actually afford. So you got to be really mindful of that, guys. Okay, sprouts, basic stuff available in our country. And also don't forget that things like soft fenugreek is very, very good. Also, berries. Berries are not easily available in the supermarkets, but you also have the desi berries like gooseberry, amla, very good in vitamin C and is a great anti-inflammatory. So focus on all that is available locally for you and is also cheap on your pocket. And that way now you are focusing on nutrition rather than what should my meal be today. Okay. Point number 2, cut out, as you rightly said, cut out all the crap from your diet. Sweet drinks, aerated drinks, chocolates, sugary foods, bakery items, junk food. And instead of all that, whatever out of all these items, whatever you want to prepare, whatever you want to eat, look up the net, create healthy recipes and start using them. Start in, like, I'll give you an example of my son and I have 2 sons. My second son and myself, we love eating tea cakes after lunch or dinner, after dinner especially. And I knew that making a regular tea cake on a regular basis is not good. Hindi mein bolu. I can't do the whole thing in Hindi because you all will all run away. Okay, my Hindi is so terrible. When we wanted to eat a cake, we decided that we wanted to take it into a healthy version. So we discovered how to make a tea cake with almond flour, a little bit of oil, 1 egg, and some honey. And when we did that, we knew that even if we eat a small piece every day, almond is protein, the fat is required, honey is a healthier version of sugar. And so we knew that that small quantity was healthier and would be less inflammatory for our body than if we had to go out even and get something for ourselves. So इसीलिए मेरा कहने का मतलब क्या है कि आपको अगर कुछ मीठा खाने का मन करता है तो आप आपके घर में बना सकते हैं. जब बाहर से खरीद के लाते हैं उसमें पता नहीं क्या क्या वो लोग डालते हैं. So be very mindful of that. Yeah, save your questions. I'll come back to each and every question of yours, okay? I want you to balance, point number 3 is I want you to balance your blood sugar levels. I'm only going to speak in English. Okay. Balance your blood sugar levels throughout the day, which means a lot of people skip their breakfast or skip their lunch or skip their dinner because you're trying to lose weight. And that's not good for you. I want you to balance your meals throughout the day. And usually a lot of experts, lot of dietitians say that have 5 small meals in a day. But my take on that is that when I try to get people to have 5 small meals in a day, then people would have too much of food. So now I want you to focus on 3 meals in a day. And in each meal, I call it the PFC principle: proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Make sure that all 3 are there, and make sure that you've got some protein, fats, and carbohydrates in all 3 meals. That way, the sugar levels in your body are getting regulated. I won't answer any of the questions till the end of the seminar, so hold on, guys, hold on. Point number 4 is a lot of people are concern about fats. Fat is not your enemy. Fat is your friend. So I want you to include fats in each and every meal. And do not get obsessed about only olive oil or this oil or that oil. Whatever it is you're comfortable to buy, which is in your means, in your pocket, go ahead and buy that. And a little bit of ghee every single day is not bad. It's good for the joints, in fact. So don't fear fats. Be mindful of the carbohydrates that you're taking, but don't fear it. So a lot of people who are who have got PCOD and are fighting with obesity also tend to eat only fruit for dinner. Remember, when you do that, already you have excess sugar in your body. Already you have a tendency of your insulin not functioning properly. Now, if you're going to be eating only fruit, that means the sugar levels in your body are going to go up. So I want you to, along with your fruit, have some protein. That way you've got fruits and carbohydrates and a little bit of protein in your meal. And that becomes much more healthier there. Point number 6. A lot of people with PCOD have stress issues. What are your thoughts? What is bothering you? What are your emotions? What happened when you had a relationship issue? Where do we go from here? How are we going to deal with our fears? How are we going to support our mind? Very often when we are upset about something, we go and grab a cookie, or we go and drink extra cup of coffee with sugar. And that's, you know, that it's not good. So therefore, it is important for you to deal with your stress in a better manner rather than getting up and going and eating something. And the best way to deal with your stress is breathing, meditation. Start your morning with meditation. When you start your morning with, always start your morning with breathing exercises. So breathe, inhale and exhale. And after that, for 5-10 minutes, keep your breath calm and just meditate, whichever position you want to. Lie down and do it for all I care. But meditation will help you in calming everything. And that's very important for you. Because without that, you're not going to be able to sustain in this journey. So these are all very, very important things that I want you to understand, and I want you to take this journey forward. But one of the most important things I want you to understand is workouts. Most people, let me put it this way, not most people, let me put it this way. Workouts is the last on everybody's priority list. I used to have 6 gyms at one time. I knew that it was not about the money. People used to pay money and never attend the sessions many times. And that's because it's not a priority for people. But I want you to know one thing, that if you don't do anything with PCOD, and even if you go and follow these dietary tips and work out every single day, when you do that, your blood sugar starts getting consumed all the time. And your blood sugar starts getting consumed all the time, then your sugar levels will start dropping down and you will be able to deal with your PCOD better. When you start working out drastically every single day, you will realize that every single day when you start working out, you will start realizing that your strength levels are going up. And most important, the biggest issue that a lot of you are facing is period problems, pregnancy issues. So many people that I have worked with in the past, and right now I'm doing a one-on-one coaching with someone from Hyderabad, and she has PCOD. She's already lost 12 kgs because I just go and make her work out. I do give her a diet as in when she wants to, but you know, I'm a strong believer of just eating whatever she's culturally used to eating. So I just keep tweaking her idli, dosa, poha, and all that. But most important is I make her show up here in the Zoom session and I make her work out vigorously. And despite her PCOD, she lost 12 kgs. But But the interesting thing was, and I used to go to her place in Hyderabad. On March 16th, when the lockdown happened, everybody was in a frenzy, right? For a month, she stopped working out with me. And within a month, post that, her period stopped. I was in touch with her and I told her that you don't need a diet, you need to work out. And so she took a little longer. And now that whole thing upset her cycle so badly that when she finally, after starting one-on-one coaching with me, when she got her periods, she was bleeding for a month continuously. So you know what? Your PCOD issue lies in your hands. You have some interesting questions, guys. Save your questions. Don't put them in the chat. There is a Q&A box. I'll answer them from there. Your PCOD lies in your own hands. The more you get up and the more you work out, the better it is going to be for you. And when I talk about workout, I'm talking about 3 types of workouts: cardio conditioning, strength training, and flexibility. When you do cardio conditioning, that means you do an activity where you bring your heart rate up, maintain it for a while, and then you bring it down. That is a cardio activity. For example, dancing, skipping, running, walking, swimming, cycling. And according to the American College of Sports Medicine, you've got to do these activities 5 times a week. And if you have PCOD, you've got to do it 7 days a week. Minimum for 30 minutes. Minimum. If I say 30, you will do 15. So do it for 45 minutes. And that way, your sugar levels will be controlled. The insulin will start functioning better. You understanding? And then there is your muscles. You've got to strengthen all your muscles. So when you start working with strength training, along with cardio, when you do strength training, your muscles become stronger. Your muscle is an active tissue. So even after you stop the strength training activities, you're burning fat, you're burning calories. So you've got to do strength training activities. People with PCOD have to do it 4 times in a week. You have to. And flexibility is the third component where you need to stretch. But how many of us are committed over here to work out every single day? It doesn't work out with YouTube videos. If it did, you wouldn't be here. And today we are in a very different space in our lives. We are not going to be able to do anything because we can't go out to a public place to work out. We cannot go to our favorite gym, whatever we used to. And therefore, you've got to understand that, give me a second, 1 second. And therefore, that was my dog wanting to come inside. And therefore, you've got to understand that you've got to start working out from the comforts of your own home. So when you decide to do something, and if you only go for a walk, you're only working out on your legs. But you need a complete workout. And that's why, because you all know, this is my 27th year. And that's why I created something very small for those of you who want to work out from the comforts of your own home. I created a program called Weight Loss Extreme Workouts. Now, this is not for people who are already in my hub. If you're already in my hub, this is not for you. Like Palke and others who are already in my silver membership and gold membership. Don't. It's not for you. But I've created, and I'm going to take a minute to show that to you. So just give me 1 second, okay? So how many of you would like to work out from your own home? I'm going to show you what I made for you. 1 second, guys. So this is what I made for you. These are workouts which I want you to do from the comforts of your own home. So you got to start by understanding where your fitness levels are. So on when you, I'm going to give you an opportunity to have this workout library for yourself. So first we start with fitness assessments of understanding our cardio conditioning, leg strength and our core strength. Then I have daily exercises where I teach you warm-up exercises, cool down exercises, the importance of all that, and mobility drill exercises. Then I teach you what is flexibility exercises. And this is all nothing from YouTube. This is all from years and years of my experience. Then I have what is known as a full body toning workout. Again, a strength workout. So if you can go for a walk every day for 30 minutes and then do the full body toning workout for another 30 minutes, you've got an entire segment going. Then I have interval training. As your fitness levels are going up, you can do a minute or two of cardio and a minute or two of strength. And now again, you're going to burn more calories. Again, lifestyle issues helping in your PCOD, weight loss. The moment you lose weight, PCOD is gone away. Okay, remember that. And then for those of you who are music lovers, I have some beautiful Bollywood dance aerobic sessions there. And then I have this beautiful version of how to learn to burn fat from the comforts of your own home. So these are all 5-minute workouts, which you can do every 1 hour in your own home. Then I've also got excellent workouts for abs, because it's all about the belly, and the more you tighten your core, the more you lose weight fast. And it's about integrated workouts, working on the upper body and the lower body simultaneously. Again, a lot of core workouts. So this is, I'm going to open up one of them. Let's take the full body toning workout. Years, and it's helped me to keep my body 13, 14, 15, something that you can relate to. 16, 7. So how many of you would like something like this? Yeah, so this is not for those of you who are already with me. How many of you would like something like this? Because I want to give it to you. Me's. How many of you would like to work out with me? So I'm going to make you an offer right now before I come to your Q&As. Now this whole library of mine is worth 9,999 rupees on my website. And it's only, Sangeeta, it's not for you. And it's either available for my hub members or for people who want to do something for like a 5-day mentoring class. So I'm going to be this whole library, I want to give it to you as a gift for only 499 rupees for those of you who want to take action right now in today's webinar. So I am going to be sharing a link, and let me share this link first. It is a payment link. 499 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. So this is a payment link. If you're logging in from your computer, just click on the link and make the payment for 499, inclusive of GST. Now, for those of you who are logging in from your phone, copy and paste this link. I just showed you the whole thing. Copy and paste this link, and I want you to take it into your browser. Even if you don't have PCOD and if you want to just work out with me, when you avail this workout plan, you will come into a WhatsApp class which is going to start on Monday, which is day after tomorrow. For 5 days, I will be mentoring you. And on the 5th day, on Friday, we will be meeting live for a live workout session and how to work on a long-term basis for obesity. Not necessary. No. Those of you who have already got it need not take it. You don't have access to it because I would like you all to start upgrading to gold membership. So all those of you are silver members, hold on. No, this is not included in the weight loss extreme blueprint. So those of you who want additional, those of you who are in my silver membership and who want to start moving into the gold, move into the gold. Tomorrow I'm doing a showcase of that. But if you want to just get additional workouts, take it. Now these classes, the support that I'm going to give you for 5 days, but you have lifetime access with all these workouts. So just jump in and take. 491 comes in silver. No, Rajeshwari, this is not the platform for me to talk about that. Please attend my webinar, please attend my private meeting for you tomorrow, which is going to be at 11 o'clock. Okay, Rajeshwari? I won't explain that right now. You don't need to worry about it. So this is for people who are not in my hub. No, there's nothing to do with the workout timings. It's all done on WhatsApp. So what happens is when you buy this product, you will get instant access to the video library. Go into your email and reset your password. On Monday morning, I will start giving you jobs to do. Like first day, we'll do assessments, then we'll do warm up, then we'll do one thing. And on the 5th day, we'll meet live. This is to get you started. And you will have access to these workout libraries for the rest of your life. Look what's happening around us. But the problem is if I just sell you a product, you're not going to take the action. And that's why I'm going over and beyond to give you the 5-day support, which is going to help you. Okay. I just showed you what is included. Share again. Let me share. Okay, guys, for those of you who are asking me, this is the last time I'm going to share this. What is included in for 499? You have workout libraries, all fitness assessments, daily exercises, warm-up exercises, cool-down exercises, mobility drill exercises, flexibility exercises, full body toning exercises, interval training workouts, Bollywood dance aerobics, fat burning at home level 1 and level 2, plank variations, integrated mat workouts for thighs, arms and abs, best core workout, and most important is you're going to get my support for 5 days. Monday, you will join my WhatsApp class where I will give you, which I think there is just a few spots left in my class. You will join that class and you will have 100% access to me. And that's how you're going to be getting mentored by me from Monday to Friday. And Friday evening at 7 o'clock, I have another live session where I will work out and you will work out with me, and I will share you another opportunity and give you some secrets on how to lose weight. Okay, now let us go to the Q&A section. Okay, I've already answered nutrition. I have periods very early, so having problem in conceiving. Just keep doing vigorous exercise. I'm going through menopause. Can you have a discussion on maybe sometime later, Sangeeta? Yeah. Sangeeta, I'll do it for you all in the other membership. How to control testosterone hormone levels in the body as I'm having facial hair growth. The moment you start burning out the sugar more, you will be able to do it. So if you want to join my weight loss extreme blueprint program, you need to attend my webinar on Thursday morning. Or why don't you just join this program right now Your name is anonymous, so join this program right now. What type of workouts are preferred? High intensity cardio workouts. Can exercise or yoga can only? No, not enough. What are the symptoms? I've already shared the symptoms. Can I reduce weight as I'm hypothyroid? BP patient. 7 years ago, I was, of course you can use. It's all how you believe in, Aparna. What exercise do you recommend for PCOD? I just said high intensity cardio workouts and strength training. I haven't got my period since a year. Start doing very high intensity cardio workouts, Manali, you'll get your your results. What is your comment on Isopure protein supplement after workout? I have no comments. You're welcome to take it if you want to. But if you're a pure vegetarian, it also will help you in getting your more protein supplements. So it's okay. It's not bad. Isopure is fine. I'm 52 years old. I have sugar, knee pain, periods are irregular. I'm in menopause stage from 1 year. I'm not doing workouts. Yeah, you better wake up and start doing workouts. I want training sessions to lose. Join my program right now. How many videos? Many videos. 100 plus hours videos, guys. Timings are flexible. How can we get access? I have shared the link. I'm going to share the link one more time. My daughter is 15 years old, is not getting periods. Make her join the program, Nidhi. You are doing injustice if you have children, if you have young people at home and they've got PCOD. Guys, take it seriously. Ma'am, can you let us know the silver membership program? No, this is not a thing about silver members. Ma'am, how many times can I have green tea in a day? You can have max to max 3 times, Palke. What nutrition supplements intake help? Nutrition supplements are usually nutrition supplements as in what? What do you mean by supplements? Views on gluten. Gluten, some people are gluten intolerant. So my personal views are keep the consumption low, but don't give it up. I have thyroid. My weight is stuck at 72. I do exercise and I eat a balanced. Well, there is something wrong with the mind programming then. Hernia. Can I join this? Yes, Anuradha Gupta at 55, hernia. Only thing is don't do the ab exercises. Can you explain me after the session? I don't know what you're talking about. Obese people are unable to do intense workouts. So how to overcome that problem? So start slowly. Until you don't start slowly, Abhilasha, you're never going to take that step forward. 521 is because the charges of InstaMojo, not mine. I'm suffering from PCOD, not able to conceive till now. I'm doing exercise. Obviously, you got to, Chita, jump in. You will know what high intensity workouts are with me. Palm sugar, better. What should be taken before workouts early in the morning? A small bowl of almonds. What is mind programming? Mind programming is programming your mind to get rid of your negative mind codes and take it into my positive mind codes. I do that in my gold membership. Shall I do exercises during periods? Yes. Fruits to be combined with protein, fat, no problem. Please tell me. Mind programming, I just said. I just finished sharing that. No, you cannot. Please don't call me anybody. Sunita Gomba, what are these memberships? Sunita, I want you to answer me one question. Are you in any of my hub? Okay, so I finished all the questions. Anybody else? Any doubts? Any doubts, everybody? Just a few spots are left. So just go and click on the link and jump in. Yeah, this is the last chance. After this, another 5 minutes, I'll be disabling this link. Trust me, I'll be disabling it. Guys, just go. Now I'm going to give you another 5 minutes. So in the meanwhile, if you have any further questions, Let me know. Timer. I think 3 minutes is enough. Okay, I'll give you 4 minutes. Welcome, Anuradha Gupta. Thank you for coming. This is not a webinar for gold membership and silver membership. Just let's stick to what we are here for, PCOD and workouts at home. Anybody else? Any questions? Thank you so much, Anuradha. Thank you. Not received the payment link. Here you go. This is the last time I'm sharing this link. Chetna Sharma, ma'am, I have hormonal imbalance. Last 1.5 years, I'm continuously doing workouts and dance. Chetna, come to the Tuesday session. I know you're from my hub. There is a link you have to click to add yourself to the WhatsApp group. If you have missed, God, if you have missed it, you'll have to come back to me separately. Added to that WhatsApp group. Yeah, good. Anuradha is working, right? Where is the link? What link, guys? This is the last time. 2 more minutes are left. Finished. So many people have jumped in. That's amazing. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for, taking that leap of faith and jumping in. I can't share the WhatsApp link in public over here. Could you all add yourselves to the WhatsApp group, guys? There was an... Thank you so much. Reena, could you get yourself into the WhatsApp group? I'll check right now. Reena, could you add yourself into the WhatsApp group as well? I haven't decided what is my next Saturday's topic. Every Saturday I'll do a topic. Okay, guys, time is up. And I'd like to thank each and every one of you. For those of you, I think you all are not getting the link. Yeah. My 17-year-old has trouble waking up in the morning. How do I motivate her? Just hand her over to me. You'll be able to do it. I'm eating normal food, workouts every day. Yeah. Chetna, meet me on Tuesday. I value the insights and your guidance. Thank you so much. Snehalata, link will be by Palke. I don't know why you didn't come this morning at 8 o'clock. Guys, you all will find me somewhere, okay? All my information is on the net. Go and find me somewhere. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I'd like to thank each and every one of you. Those of you who want to know more about my hub, jump into this program. On Friday, I will be sharing, I'll give you an opportunity to come and join my hub on Friday, where I do live digital workouts for free. So if you want some more, jump into this program. Okay, Palke, no problem. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for giving me this opportunity, and for you for coming in here, spending your time. Some of you took that leap of faith, for which I'm truly grateful. I look forward to seeing you for those of you who have taken the decision, I look forward to seeing you on the Monday WhatsApp class. Just jump into the class and I will be giving some tips today and tomorrow. Thank you and bye-bye. No, we are going to start on Monday, this Monday. When you have bought the course, Sandhya, there is an option for you to add yourself to the WhatsApp group. Okay, those of you who are not able to do that, copy paste this number quickly, send me your receipt, and I'll send you the link to get added. Copy paste this number. Copy paste this number and send me a WhatsApp message. Don't disturb me more than that one message with your receipt and I'll add you. Okay. Thank you so much and bye-bye.